In the previous section, we looked at how to connect Power BI Desktop with different types of data sources. We learned how to connect an Excel file, a CSV or text file format, a SQL Server database, and also data from the web to Power BI Desktop. In this section, we'll look at how to transform your data using Power Query. So once you have connected your data to Power BI, the next step is to shape your data or transform your data as per your requirement. Transforming or editing your data before actually loading to your Power BI is very important. Only then will you be able to create an effective report and visualization. Now, what do I mean by shaping your data? So you can add or remove columns from your tables. You can rename your columns, or you can maybe change text to numbers, and so many such things. You can also combine your data from more than one data sources and then shape the data and create data models. So in this section, you will learn how to shape your data by using Query Editor and also combine those data sources and create a data model to be used in your reports. So what a query editor does is, it acts as an intermediate data container where you can modify your data by selecting the rows and columns and doing the necessary changes. The changes that you make using the query editor in Power BI is not actually reflected into your original dataset. The original dataset remains untouched. And once you have pre-processed your data and have transformed it the way you want, it is then that you load your data into Power BI. All the steps that you specify to make these changes are recorded in Query Editor. Now let's go ahead and get our hands on to Query Editor and understand its working.